Hello everyone, and welcome back to ShadowSpark. I am Neha, and today we are going to talk about a topic that is becoming more important every single day. It is a topic that is changing the way we live, work, study, and even think about our future. The topic is artificial intelligence, or AI. More specifically, we are going to explore a question that millions of people around the world are asking right now. Will artificial intelligence replace human jobs? Take a moment and think about it. Every day we hear news about new AI tools. We see people using AI to write emails, create images, analyze data, answer customer questions, and even help with medical research. Some people are excited because they believe AI will make life easier. Others are worried because they think machines may eventually take over many human jobs. So, what should we believe? Is AI a threat, or is it an opportunity? Let's explore this together. First, let's understand what AI actually is. Artificial intelligence is a technology that allows computers and machines to perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. These tasks include learning from information, recognizing patterns, understanding language, solving problems, and making decisions. Just a few years ago, many of these abilities seemed impossible for machines. Today, they are becoming a normal part of our lives. In fact, you probably use AI more often than you realize. When your phone unlocks using facial recognition, AI is working. When a music app recommends songs you might enjoy, AI is working. When an online store suggests products based on your interests, AI is working. Even when you use navigation apps to find the fastest route to your destination, AI is helping behind the scenes. Technology has quietly become a part of our everyday routine. As AI becomes more powerful, many people are asking whether it will replace human workers. This concern is understandable. After all, AI can process information much faster than humans. It can work 24 hours a day without getting tired. It can analyze thousands of documents in minutes and perform repetitive tasks with incredible speed. Because of these abilities, some workers worry that companies may eventually replace employees with machines. However, before we jump to conclusions, let's look at history. This is not the first time people have worried about technology changing the workplace. During the Industrial Revolution, machines transformed factories and manufacturing. Many workers feared that they would lose their jobs permanently. Later, when computers entered offices, people had similar concerns. They believed computers would replace millions of workers. But something interesting happened. While some jobs disappeared, many new jobs were created. Before computers became common, there were no web developers, app designers, cybersecurity specialists, digital marketers, or social media managers. Technology changed the nature of work, but it did not eliminate work completely. Instead, it created new opportunities that people could not have imagined before. This teaches us an important lesson. The future does not belong to those who resist change. It belongs to those who adapt and continue learning. In today's world, learning is no longer something that ends after school or university. It is a lifelong process. The people who remain curious, flexible, and open to new skills are often the ones who succeed when industries evolve. For students and young professionals, this is especially important. Instead of worrying about whether AI will take a specific job, it may be more useful to focus on developing valuable skills. Improving communication. learning digital tools, strengthening problem-solving abilities, and building confidence can make a huge difference. These skills remain useful regardless of how technology changes. Of course, AI is not without challenges. There are concerns about privacy, misinformation, and the responsible use of technology. As AI becomes more powerful, governments, businesses, and researchers will need to work together to ensure that it is used ethically and safely. Technology should improve people's lives, not create unnecessary risks. Looking ahead, the workplace of the future may look very different from what we know today. Employees may work alongside AI assistants that help organize information, summarize meetings, generate reports, and automate routine tasks. Instead of replacing humans entirely, AI may become a powerful tool that helps people become more productive and efficient. Imagine spending less time on repetitive work and more time on creativity, innovation, and meaningful human interaction. That is one of the possibilities that many experts envision. The most successful professionals may not be those who compete against AI, but those who learn how to work effectively with it. So, let's return to our original question. Will artificial intelligence replace human jobs? The answer is not as simple as yes or no. Some jobs will disappear. Many jobs will change. And entirely new careers will emerge. Throughout history, technological progress has consistently transformed the workplace, and AI is likely to continue that trend. What matters most is our ability to adapt. The future will reward people who continue learning, developing new skills, and embracing innovation. Rather than fearing technology, we can choose to understand it. Rather than worrying about change, we can prepare for it. In the end, the future is not just about machines becoming smarter. It is about humans becoming more capable, more creative, and more adaptable. Technology may continue to evolve, but qualities like empathy, curiosity, communication, and imagination will always remain valuable. Thank you for joining me today on ShadowSpark. I hope you enjoyed this discussion and found it useful. If you like this shadowing practice, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Practice speaking along with this audio regularly to improve your fluency, pronunciation, confidence, and listening skills. I will see you in the next episode of ShadowSpark. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep believing in your potential. Happy shadowing, and have a wonderful day.